Mr. Mokhtar, please pick up the phone. Mr. Mokhtar, please pick up the phone.
Wherever Dalit atrocities take place, our party will take up the issue. Our party will fight in order to protect the interests of Dalits, in order to ensure safety of Dalits wherever it happens. It is happening in Uttar Pradesh. There also we are raising our voice. It is happening in Madhya Pradesh. They are all BJP ruled states. We do not keep quiet. In the same way, wherever atrocities against Dalits are committed, the CPI and all progressive forces will raise their voice, will condemn. We cannot call it as a democratic regime. And Aurangabad, Maharashtra is the land of Dr. Ambedkar, land of Mahatma Phule, Savitri Phule. The idea of social justice, idea of social equality emerged from the soil of Maharashtra. And it is Dr. Ambedkar, the prime architect of Ambedkar, said there should be social justice. Justice, social, political and economic. Again Ambedkar said we all should strive for equality, liberty and fraternity. These are all there in the preamble of the constitution. But Modi government has been subverting the very constitution, subverting the democratic polity of the country. In such a situation, we witness increasing atrocities on Dalits, increasing atrocities on tribals, increasing atrocities on minorities, increasing atrocities on our women, children, and the situation demands all the oppressed people should come together. The situation demands all Dalit groups, Dalit activists must come together. The situation demands we have to fight against the BJP RSS combined. RSS as an ideology which is based on Manusmriti, that ideology perpetuates caste system in India. India should go for annihilation of caste as Dr. Ambedkar has said. That is why this national convention has been organized. This will give a message to the entire country. Now we have to fight. We should not kneel down before BJP RSS combined. We should fight against BJP RSS combined to save the constitution, to save democracy, to save India and protect the interests of all suppressed, oppressed, exploited people of our country.